Alright guys, we're actually going to take a look at the Akaso EK7000. It's an action cam, let's see, 4K action cam. As you can see that, bada bada bing. Yeah, it's unboxed. Let's try opening up the other end. Open it from here. First thing that came out was the SD card. I'm going to get it. It's a 64 gigabyte SD card. Let's see. It's got a little tabby button here. And you just pull on out. Ooh, that's a nice little. Everything comes out in one shot. There's the camera itself. It's got these little protective things so that the lens doesn't get scratched. The box in itself is pretty durable. Doesn't feel like anything was damaged. So let's see how this works here. Alright, first let's take this, open this. So here's a quick start guide. Manual. So I guess they have a user manual. Please scan the QR code. Visit the following link to download the detailed user manual. So it's right here. That's pretty neat. Moving on, we have all these little cool accessories. I don't know. This one's pretty neat. I've never seen one like this. I don't know where this goes. Lots of little. Got a little remote. So it automatically hit record and stop, take pictures. I have this little strap that you wear it on your wrist. And some screws. Some more accessories. Here's a little charging USB cord. Uses a USB-C. I don't think it comes with a plug, so alright. So there's that. Some accessories. It's for your bike, right? Anywhere that there's a handlebar. Okay. I don't know what these straps are for. Interesting. Cool. Can't wait to use this stuff. We got some zip ties and a metal loop line. That's pretty neat. I don't know what you would use these as zip ties here. And then we have this little looped wire. Okay, that's pretty neat. Super strong little thing there. And, let's see. Put that in there. And we have some cherry cloths. Clean the lens, right? Have these little Velcro. I don't know, these are, I don't know what you would use this for. Just stick it somewhere. Got two of those. We'll put everything back in the bag just to keep everything together. a little casing. There's another case in here. Pretty cool, right? And you get 2 batteries. Pretty cool looking. This is a model PG1050. Get 2 of those. And you get a charging dock. I think this. What is this? Is this going? No, I don't think so. So I guess this is another little hinge part for it. Just in case this one breaks, you have an extra one. Cool. And you have a little wrench, of course. So here's the charging dock for the batteries. Boom, boom. Oh, this is pretty neat. I've never seen one like this. I'm gonna open it. Yes, there you go. And you just toss these batteries in. Like that. This one. Do like this. Boom, boom. Close it up. Take the little charger in. Of course, then you get a little plug. Plug this in, charge it up. It's pretty cool. It's got a little case for batteries. Pretty dope. And there's that. So now let's take the camera off. This little thing, okay? This is a little tool. Okay. That looks to be pretty cool. This would be the accessory that you would want. There you go. And the camera itself, pretty lightweight, really lightweight. Good for you know, when you're out and about, just want to record, or you're vlogging, right? Like I do. It says getting started. It gives you the instructions on how to get started. This is pretty lightweight. It's lighter than the other cameras that I've used. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for an affordable camera and something lightweight and you move around a lot like I do, I think this would be an ideal camera for you to use. So I guess these can stay on when you have them charged. So you can keep recording as long as you have it charged. The battery is dead. So that's a pretty neat feature. And then your SD card goes directly in this little slot right there. If you guys can see that. So let's insert now. So that's pretty cool. They got the SD card that came with the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this. Pretty neat because they gave it 64 gigabytes. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Let's power up. Ooh, turned on. There you go. Alright. Turn this off. Wow, look how clean that is. Which is also a pretty cool feature. My other action camera didn't do this, but this one did. This one does. It actually lets you set the time and the timestamp, pretty much. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. So my overall review of the camera and what it comes with, it's actually pretty good. And it comes with all these accessories, so you know you can actually use it quite a bit anywhere you go, you know what I mean? I like the fact that it does have a stabilizer as well on it. It's got a super wide angle, remote control, it takes photos, 4K video. So my review on what we get is great. The next video is going to be of me basically just using it. But if you want to go ahead and purchase you an action camera, it's pretty good. You know, quality is pretty good. It's pretty lightweight. It's compact. And it comes with, you know, a bunch of accessories. You can find the link in the description down below. Big thank you to Akaso for making tools that let creators level up their content. This was just the unboxing and the first look. Camera test coming soon.